Hey, this is Kari. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video. Today I want to answer a simple but complicated question. What is yoga? I found this to be a perplexing question, even as someone who's been practicing for several years. What is yoga? I want to talk about yoga in two different ways. One, yoga as a state of mind, and two, yoga as a discipline. Think about yoga as a state of mind, as a state of non-reactivity. In the world, there are so many things happening, so many different stimulus coming at us, that a lot of what we do in the world is simply a reaction to all of the things that we're just working to deal with, whether it's people, places, things, or even driving in the car. Having yoga as a state of mind is the art of meeting life where it meets you calmly, without drama or fuss. A state of non-reactivity, where stimulus is coming in, but we're not reacting to the things around us. Now let's talk about yoga as a discipline. Yoga as a discipline would refer to the practices of yoga, the things that we do. For instance, you might be most familiar with yoga postures or going to yoga class. Other forms of yoga, meditation, intentional breathing, chanting, and even devotion or worship of a higher power. These are all things that we can do in order to work towards a yogic state of mind. When we engage in these practices, we help to initiate a yoga state of mind. So think about this, yoga by means of yoga. That's what my friend and teacher Seth Powell says, yoga by means of yoga. I hope you learned something from this video about the meaning of yoga. And if you have any other questions about yoga, please just put it in the comments, and that could be a future episode. I'd love to answer your questions. Hop on over to my website and you could sign up to take a free class with me, in person or online. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon.